Okay, if you got a dual flush toilet and you've had it long enough, chances are you might have seen something like this. The actual mechanism inside the flush valve has been spectacularly reliable. Basically though, the design of the actual push buttons for it are a little less so. So one of them did break. It's time to get a new one. So I went out and found kind of a generic that I think will work. So let's see if we can get it installed and get this thing dual flushing again. All right, and it's held on the bottom with a simple lock ring. So that comes off, and the old valve is now liberated. Okay, gotta say they're looking pretty similar. I took this unneeded guide off, and you can see that the one is quite a bit longer than the other, but this one is designed to be cut down. Just going to line them up, and I'm gonna mark across at the same level and give it a hack. Okay, gave them a little cut with just a nasty little knife I had laying around, and I cut them just a little short so that I could use these rubber caps to bring them up to the right length. Okay. And I made the assumption that the blue would correspond to the green, and I got it right just by accident. So that is the small flush side. This is the big flush side, which corresponds to the small flush and the big flush buttons on top. Okay, it looks great, but how's it work? Small flush, which it was, big flush. All right, working exactly like the original. Looks great, easy job, cheap part. It's a win.